When the first Snapmaker was introduced, it raised over $2 million and connected over 10,000 users in an active community. With the new Snapmaker, we're bringing the next generation of advanced technology to this iconic design. The new Snapmaker is faster, smarter, larger, and more powerful than ever before. From 3D printing to laser engraving and cutting and CNC carving, it supports a wide variety of materials for limitless creativity. The components are made from high-strength metal. Anodizing converts the surface of the metal into a durable anodic oxide finish. Each process is strictly controlled, and due to the higher level of automation, both the quality and the speed of production have been significantly increased. Every part is meticulously made. In creating the new Snapmaker, we've taken the all-metal design to the next level. The new Snapmaker is modular, and it only takes a few steps to set up. Our software has greatly simplified the process of 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving. You can also connect and control your Snapmaker via Wi-Fi or with the smart touchscreen. Snapmaker is more than just a series of machines. It's a system of powerful modules and add-ons for creative people like you. You can make an extra-large CNC router, a huge laser engraver, and even a 4-axis CNC machine. You can further enhance it by adding an IP camera, a hand wheel, an emergency stop button, an enclosure, and more. The new Snapmaker includes an automatic bed leveling feature that ensures you print on a level bed every time. The cooling system is redesigned to cool the print in the most efficient way possible. If the filament runs out, Snapmaker will pause and notify you to load new filament. It can also detect power loss and resumes exactly where it left off, so you can recover any project. To remove a print, simply lift the build plate and flex it. For laser cutting, it uses a specially designed aluminum grid table. Its built-in camera allows you to preview a design on any material or surface. What you see is what you get. It makes laser cutting as easy as drawing with a pen. It can convert your drawing into a vector image that can be edited directly in the software for laser engraving and cutting. It is 5 times faster than the original model. Whenever a new idea strikes, you'll be ready to turn it into reality. For CNC carving, it now features a fully upgraded CNC module and wasteboard. It supports over 100 carving and cutting bits by using the standard ER11 collet. Upgraded clamps provide a tighter hold. It has faster working speed, a larger step down, and fully enclosed linear modules. Bring your ideas to life and unlock your full creative potential with the new Snapmaker. It is the most advanced 3-in-1 3D printer we've ever created. Let's make something wonderful with Snapmaker. Join us and back us on Kickstarter today.
Introducing Rotrics Dexarm, the first versatile all-in-one desktop robot arm. With the modular design, it can be easily turned into a 3D printer, laser engraver, a pen plotter, even a personal assistant machine. Unlike other 3D printers, its working range is twice as the machine itself. It could print with various materials, including PLA, TPU, wood, and carbon fiber, to create anything you can imagine. With the laser engraving and cutting module, you can engrave, etch, or cut on dozens of materials, such as cardboard, wood, and ceramics. Let's start making something unique and meaningful for your loved ones. Like this adorable pet carved with special memory. Want to free your hands from tedious handwriting? Or dream to be a talented artist? Dexarm could help you out. The intuitive Rotrics Studio software gives you the seamless control over Dexarm. Moreover, integrated with Scratch, controlling Dexarm would be as easy as dragging and placing command blocks. It's also a perfect tool to guide your kids through the world of programming. Dexarm is innovative and powerful. 0.5mm extreme repeatability and 500-gram payload capacity make it qualified for lightweight industry. The extendable accessories give Dexarm the power to see and listen. The safety enclosure will keep your family and pets away from potential laser harms. The sliding rail brings the power to the next level. Join the Rotrics community. Explore the world of creation now.
Come, say ah. Alexa, call Neha.
Calling Neha.
Say hi to Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, beta.
How was your flight?
It was long, but it was good.
What are you doing? Alexa, play Bollywood songs.
Okay.
Alexa, switch on the bedroom AC.
Okay.
Alexa, play Family Man.
Playing Family Man.
This natural silver HP Pavilion X360 laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. This convertible 2-in-1 touchscreen laptop weighs only 1.58 kgs, making it ideal for people on the go. Powered by the 11th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, the laptop allows you to browse and work efficiently. The laptop comes with pre-installed Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019, making it ready for use. This laptop features an 8GB DDR4 memory, which is expandable up to 16GB. It also comes with Intel Iris Xe graphics that is ideal for browsing and watching movies. The laptop has 512GB SSD that provides higher responsiveness and faster boot up while being enough to store all your videos, movies and photos. The laptop comes with 41 Watt-hour Li-ion fast charge battery that gives a battery life of up to 7 hours. This HP Pavilion laptop has a 14-inch Full HD touchscreen display. The laptop's Micro Edge IPS display with edge-to-edge glass offers an immersive viewing experience ideal for watching movies and videos. The laptop features HP True Vision HD camera with integrated dual-array digital microphone. The laptop has one super-speed USB 3.1 Type-C, two super-speed USB Type-A, one HDMI 1.4b, one RJ45 and one SD card reader for easy connectivity. The laptop comes with power adapter and user manuals included in the box. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty.
Do you feel online teaching is not paying off for your efforts, time, and investment? Meet Tutor Plus, a device solely designed for teachers. Place it on any of your large-screen TV display and use it like an interactive whiteboard with an array of digital teaching tools. Along with a visual enhancement camera and noise-canceling mics, you can conduct, record, and live-stream classes in UHD quality. End your struggles and become successful by reaching out to more students on digital platform. Embark on the journey of Smart Tutor with Tutor Plus.